I'm Gigi from Chicago. The last 3 years I've had 15 surgeries and 2 years of PT, so I've felt like I've just been hibernating in my house. I had cancer and my hair fell out. So this is a wig, and it didn't come back completely, enough to do anything with. And the doctor said if it didn't come back after 2 years, it wouldn't. I just don't have enough to make it look how I want it to be. My problem has been when I go to find a wig, I don't know what color to pick, I don't know what style. I like to be put together. My mom was from Dallas, so she likes big hair and tons of makeup. I want to know what's best for me, for my coloring, so that when I have to replace them, I can just go get it. It was awesome. It was so wonderful. Everybody was so kind and patient and graceful. I do wear a wig, so he was kind of confined by the wigs that I had, but he shaped them and made them into new wigs. I just want to feel confident, and I just feel wonderful.